Have you ever wondered about the simple yet ingenious mechanism that flushes your toilet? Today, we're diving into the mechanics of this everyday plumbing marvel. The secret to the flush lies mostly in the toilet tank, which holds the water necessary for a powerful rinse. Inside the tank, we find the fill valve, the flapper or flush valve seal, and the flush lever. These are the main players in the flushing process. The entire process is initiated by a simple action, the flush. When you press the flush lever or handle, you engage the mechanism that controls the water in the tank. The lever is connected to a lift chain, which pulls up the flapper, opening the flush valve seal at the bottom of the tank. With this seal broken, the stored potential energy of the water is now converted into kinetic energy. The water quickly flows from the tank into the toilet bowl, creating a sudden surge of liquid. This rapid movement of water, combined with gravity, creates a siphon effect that pulls waste away and down the drain pipe. Once the contents of the bowl are cleared, the process to restore the toilet to its resting state begins. As the tank empties, the flapper falls back into its seat, sealing the flush valve and preventing any more water from escaping. The water level drop causes the float attached to the fill valve to fall, which in turn activates the intake of fresh water from the supply line. The fill valve directs water to two places simultaneously to complete the cycle. Most of the water refills the tank, while a smaller stream travels through the overflow tube to replenish the standing water in the toilet bowl itself. As the tank fills, the float rises until it reaches the set water level, at which point it shuts off the fill valve, preparing the toilet for the next flush. And there you have it, the surprisingly complex mechanics behind the simple act of flushing a toilet. This closed-loop system ensures that the toilet is clean and ready for use every time you press that handle or button.